toe touch to squat and T-spine rotation, otherwise known as Bootstrappers. So we're going to start out by reaching for the sky, get a little stretch in, and then we go down into a straight leg toe touch and try and grab the toes and get as low as we can with keeping the knees straight and not flexing them. If your hands don't go all the way to the floor, that's fine. Just make sure we keep those legs straight and stretch those hammies. Whatever point the hands stop at, that'll get a little better with time. So don't worry about not being able to touch the floor if you can't right now. Once we've warmed up, we're going to widen our stance into a normal squat stance. We're going to reach back down, grab the toes. We're going to push the knees out, pull ourselves down into a squat. And as we stand back up, we're going to try and keep a hold of those toes. Again, if you can't quite do that right now, don't worry about it. Just straighten out those legs as much as you can and keep that stretch into those hammies. From the side view, you can see the legs stay straight, grab the toes. We keep that chest up. We're looking forward. We're not staring at the ground. With this deep of a squat, most of us will have a little bit of rounding in the back, but we want to keep it as straight as we can. The last part of this is we're going to add in a T-spine rotation. We're going to keep the one hand on the knee and the toes of the opposite side. And we're going to reach up with the arm and rotate through the upper back as much as we possibly can.